Hey guys, it's Cass from the Perris Library, and if you didn't know, the summer reading program has already started, and we are on our second week for reading Colors Your World, and this week is Red Week, so we're going to make red tissue flowers. And if you stop by the library sometime this week, that means you picked up a craft kit, and all you will need yourself from your home that's not in a craft kit is some scissors, so please have a parent or guardian help you out if you need assistance. We have our tissue paper and our string inside our bag, and like I said, all you need is your scissors. So let's take everything out, and I counted how many I had. I had about 10 tissue papers, and usually to make a flower you need 4 to 5, so I separated them by 5s. Once you dealt them all, you're going to fold them up accordion style, so just flip one over, flip over, and flip over. And once you're done doing that, you're going to fold it in half. And where you fold it in half, you're going to tie your string around it twice, but not too tight because that will really damage your flowers. So don't put it tight. Then grab your scissors because we're going to cut the edges, and we're going to cut them in like a half circle type of way, but also leave it a little bit pointed so it looks really cute like a petal. And you're going to take it all out like this, fan it out. And while you're fanning it out, you're going to grab the first layer of the tissue paper and you're going to pull it in towards the middle. And you're going to do it from the other side as well. And you're going to keep rotating from each side. So one layer, one layer, one layer. And keep doing it all the way towards the end. I was able to make 2 flowers with my craft kit, so I hope you guys really enjoyed making this craft on our second week of the summer reading program. I hope to see you guys again next week. Now let's move on to a book recommendation for this video. We're going to start off with Miss Marvel by Saldina Hamid, Minkyu Zhong, Joey Vasquez, Juan Velasco, Ian Herring. Are you new to the comic world? Wait no longer and jump into an action-packed, adventurous life of Miss Marvel. You are sure to have fun while reading. Our next book is Goodbye from Nowhere by Cesar. This book touches on personal issues that make you feel what Kyle is going through, with his parents' relationship holding by a string and the effects it has on his world. It really makes you sit back and reflect. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. There you'll find all types of resources we offer in all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you for watching. See you next week.